Does your team feel stuck? You may be trapped inside a box of your own making, and the walls of this box are your unchallenged assumptions. You know, the most powerful question a leader can ask is, what if we're wrong? So what can you do? Well, you can run a beliefs buster workshop. First, have everyone silently finish this sentence. In our company, we believe that. Collect the answers anonymously and you'll uncover the sacred cows. Things like, our customers only care about price, or we must avoid failure at all costs. And then pressure test them. Ask, what data proves this is still true? What if the opposite were true? And finally, for one belief, design a small, cheap experiment to test it. For example, if you believe clients won't pay a premium for excellent service, then test it with a small pilot offer. You don't need a better answer, you need a better question. Break the invisible rules holding you back. So start now. What's one sacred cow or unspoken belief in your organization that you can run a belief buster workshop for?
So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.